Wait, hold up, my videos don't start like that also. This was inspired by that diehard Dodger fanatic. Enjoy.
Coming up next on Nickelodeon, Paw Patrol.
Oh no 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 no, not that stupid show. My little annoying ginger sister, Rosie, likes it. What should I do? I should make a fake alert system. Caillou, you're a genius.
Yay, Paw Patrol. Here we go. Rocky, Marshall, Rebel, Chase, Sky, Zoom, yay. Wow. That scared the heck out of me.
Sorry to interrupt, but we have 10 people killing around the world, so please evacuate your area.
Oh my god, babe, did you just hear that?
Yeah, I did.
I'm gonna go check on Rosie. Rosie, come with us. You will be safe.
Okay, Daddy.
Ha 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 ha. Everyone is now running. Caillou is the best.
Okay, Rosie, now I'm gonna get Caillou or Caillou. Okay, hi. Okay. Well, I guess he is playing on his computer.
Oh yeah, baby. Who?
So it was you who did all of this?
Yes, I did.
Oh my, fuck, King God, gay to the fucking loo. I'm so fucking pissed at you, Caillou. How dare you make a fucking fake alert system? That's so fucking it. You're grounded for 1 mother fucking year. Go to your shitty room now.
The Caillou on the bus goes wah, freaking wah.